How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another quant update. We're going to look at where QNT is headed in the immediate short term. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Otherwise, just enjoy today's update. Now, we did see Quant pumping overnight. Main reason being the chart was showing lower lows. So technically, we should go down. We can see that this low is higher than the most recent over here. So we've got the lower lows, but a disagreement on the indicator over here. From this point, we're getting higher lows. So that is exactly why we're going up. This is called bullish divergence. And this is why we've seen this pump back up to previous resistance over here. So we haven't broken out of that yet. We can see that we actually had a fake out above the 55, now coming back up into it as resistance. If you break through that, the expectation would be a potential pump to about $95 into this next level of resistance, but you could just be confirming this as resistance again over here on the 55 to eventually head lower. Please do also understand this. You can see that we started to top out over here and started falling back down when we got up to this resistance point. You see price over here nicely in line. We started to come down. This started to come down. Where was it? At the previous resistance. So we were given that signal as well over here on this indicator. So can we now climb back above the 55 to have a break of this resistance up to the 200 EMA at 95, or will we just be confirming this as support? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. But what I am seeing across a whole bunch of cryptos, especially Bitcoin, HBAR, Injective, and VeChain, are some bullish divergences. So if Bitcoin were to continue to pump, if I just go up to the daily now, if Bitcoin were to continue to pump up all the way up until 29-30k, I think this is when Quant would come up. Let me just find my drawing brush. Would come up all the way back up into this $97 to $100 region, and we would need a reclaim of that. The pump to 29 to 30k for Bitcoin would just be this pumping up to that. We need a reclaim of 29 and 30k. That would be a reclaim of $100. Until those very moments, 30k is resistance, $100 is resistance, and so you'd still expect to fall. Now, you don't need to pump up that high, but if we're seeing this bullish divergence starts to play out on Bitcoin, I would just expect Quant to at least try to go up. It doesn't necessarily need to reach $100. We just know that that's the psychological level of resistance. So if it gets up until that point, that is where we would struggle to get above and get rejected, as we see multiple months on end holding that area of support. Now that it's been lost, any pump into there should just get rejected. If anything does change, like if we stop following this plan, then I will further update you guys. But as of now, that is the expected path for Quant. That is pretty much it for today's update. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Turn on notification bell on so you are aware when these come out. We've been getting a lot of views in the last update, so I really do appreciate that. If any of you need further assistance, private message me through the links down in the description and pinned comment section below. See if you do qualify for 3 months free in the Discord community. Otherwise, just join it anyway. We do weekly group calls where we spend an hour, 2 hours covering cryptos. If I'm not able to make a altcoin video for you guys on the YouTube, just chart request it in there. I will get it out immediately for you guys in the Discord community. You can just also take action on the education, the mentorship, and the course. And with those, you get that 3 months free in the chat. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next quant update. Cheers.